holiday. Please do sit back, relax, and enjoy the stunning views of the West Midlands outside the window. And in a few moments' time, the crew will be released to start their duties. Can we ask you still stay in your seats? With your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched this off, and you will see this just above your heads. As a reminder, you are required to remain in your seats where possible for the duration of the flight. As a reminder, smoking is also not permitted while you are on board, and this also includes use of electronic cigarettes and vapes. Any electronic devices which you are charging must be monitored at all times. Here at TUI we do have a complete and utter zero tolerance policy to any disruptive behaviour of any kind. The only alcohol you are permitted to drink while you're on board is the alcohol that is only served to you by the cabin crew. If you have purchased anything inside Birmingham Airport, you're not permitted to open or drink this while you are on board.